supposed to be? Oh my gosh, I don't know if this is a good or bad thing, but
hi, welcome to my channel. I have a new item I'm going to be showing y'all this evening. It is the Nike Applewatch. Okay, this is an unboxing video and I'm going to look at it with you at the same time. I have not seen it, and so we're going to open it up together. Let me give you some specs on this. This is the Nike Space Gray aluminum watch. It is the 44 millimeter, and it can be purchased at apple.com. So here we go. We're going to get started with the unboxing. On the front, you see that it's the Nike watch. So here we go. It comes in this beautiful black packaging. It shows all the different colors that it was available in: black, red, and green, and space gray. Oh my goodness, it is so, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Who doesn't love Apple? Okay, here we go for the unveiling of the Apple Nike watch. Oh, you have your bands. It's a black band. We'll look at that together in just a minute. So you do get your charger, and it's the little circle charger. You see that's the circle, and then there's the actual watch. So here we're gonna take the watch out and look at it together. Can y'all see that? It has the little charging thing on the back, and I have the Series 5, so it doesn't seem to be made that much different from the watch that I have. Oh my goodness, look at it, y'all. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see that? So that's the watch, and it does come with the, like I said, the charging port. Let's look at the band. And they made sure that it's not been broken. The seal has not been broken. It's the Nike watch. It said the Nike Sport Band. It is a bracelet sport watch. So these bands can be interchanged and taken off. And there's your little button there where you press to take the buttons off and change your watch bands. Does anyone out there like to customize their watch bands? I do. And the Nike watch bands come in white, green, red, and black. So we're gonna look at these watch bands together. And remember, this is just an unboxing so you can see what comes in the packaging. It tells you how to attach your bands, how to change them out. It's very easy and simple to do. And so it comes with the medium large band and then the small band. So if you have a large arm, you can use the larger bands, and if you have a small, you can use these smaller bands. There's your bands. Let's see, does it actually have the Nike sign on the band? And it doesn't look like it does. So there's no Nike on that side. Let's see if it's on the other side. It's not. There is no, just so you'll know and won't be expecting it, there is no Nike sign on the band, okay? Don't want y'all to think that you're gonna have a Nike sign on the band. Y'all getting a good look at it? Nice and small, 45 millimeters. I will leave a link where you can go and purchase this item. And if you have a Nike watch, leave some comments in the comment section about this watch. I'm not going to turn it on because I just don't want to do that. And if you look really, really close at the back, the Nike sign is, let me get it in the camera where you can see that Nike sign. Can you see the Nike sign on the back? There it is right there. If you look really close, you can see the Nike sign. Okay, this is just an unboxing. Thank you for watching, and please come back to my channel. Do not forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you.